Okay, children. Today we'll study time and work. Min nan lo thok ta nik ninga a tuiza na khat khalo zo theita a amoni soba na khat khalo zo theita mi padangin ninga ni sare ni na lo tho zo theita an paningan thoklang seng tia ngen tho zo thiang ka tiang chi kan zer don ni adik taka atak taka jonin hei practically jon ahman lutuk theilo na amaro chu man theina chin hiom ta estimation siam nan te chu atak taka tangkaya turania a che jona juk chu dik thelo ma se ruang am kha hria theita ni chu kan zer dona rule chi a holu tuga em tre dur chu eng lo kha ni me unitary method kha artui som kha cheng som ngai ta se artui pakha cheng zar ye niang kha te chu anga chut me tur kha ni artui som kha cheng som ngai chon artui pa chu nge som nga divided by 10 cheng nga khalo chu ta kha te hangan chok don ni a rule si lo edola. Hey, number 1 if A can do a piece of work in n days, then work done by A in 1 day equal to 1 by n. A number lo that la. Wait, let me change the color of my pen. Number that la if A can do in 5 days. From there to work done in 1 day. Chu ni khatat na tho za chu 1 by 5 ani me. Ka kha cho dan to. Ala ling zog in hey work done by in 1 day ka 1 by n chuan ana tho na du za tur chu are reciprocal kha de che me 1 by n ya n days ani me le kha ba kha theory vak om lowa exercise akan chokla lang apan dan hi thil har sa om lo ko to kha exercise 2.2 kholo ke to lo number 1 khen chinang Lam can do a work in 15 days and Nolan you open your book, all right. Lam can do a work in 15 days and Nolan in 20 days. If they work only together for 6 days, then find a fraction of the work that is left. Mizo dong se le photanga Lam a khan ni som panga chuin na thong zo thea Nolan ni som ni chu de thong zo thei thung an pani khan thok tlang ta sen ni ruk chung an na kha engza ni la bang ke chu chu to ni tia re re han cho do chu ni shedo chu a na kha wan ani zel ti na ni an ta pum pu ka wan ani zel ta le lai ma ka chu photang formula kha ani la at rules ka n days time exercise 2.2 mo ko ti kha number 1 time taken by line kan tianga to work chu ni jang ya tu ni so panga ani khatha kan chu chu kang work done by lion in 1 day chu 1 by 15 ni me don ni chuan Nolan na kan chu chu ve le nga chuan an ni khatha kan bel khoma time taken by Nolan jack full to lo me 20 days work done by Nolan in 1 day ni khata tho za chu 1 by 20 ni le me ta ni ti khan an ni khatha kan chu chu kang an pahni bel khom kha work done write down therefore work done by Liam and Nolan in 1 day ni khatan tha chu 1 by 15 le 1 by 20 kha ibel don le. So what do I get here? 15 and 20 LCM ka how much? 30 60 more 15 4s are 23 equal to 7 by 60 นี่ตานี่อันนี้ขัดท่าจูจนในส่วนอาคารนี่รุกชูกันทุกทีอ่ะนี่รุกชูกันชุดแล้วwalk ใครนี่ขัดนี่จนนี่รุกอ่ะจน 6 multiply ไม่ถูก walk done by Liam and Nolan in 6 days 6 into 7 by 60 equal to 7 by 10 oh so khi khiên thổ ra đàn ta thế chọc tổ lô pon ở phía thầy tổ mấy ta này em ra yên nà khá là bang này ta muốn số mà trên muốn sari anh thong dấu tổ thì nào nè em ra yên là bang cái gì chuan muốn số mà trên muốn thu mà mua là bang chứ cái đó kan anh ta pum pui khâu quan ang ngày tổ cái gì tổ kha so I write therefore fraction of walk left to 1 kan na pum pui to minus 7 by 10 gives 10 minus 7 equal to 3 by 10 okay kha chỗ đàn chu này mày chọn ở vai bắt thum cái chỗ sân chơi đó kha the number 5 ko ending tiang abu khalo keula A can do a piece of work in the same time in which B and C together can do it. A and hathozad le B le C hathozad het angtina ni chu. If A and B together can do it in 10 days and C alone in 50 days, in how many days can B alone do it? A le B khan ni soman thok zo theya chon C khan a mai ni som nga a thok thung a thok zo thung ani chon B khan a mai ni ti reng e dong eta le equation kan siamang A le B khan ni soma an thok zo the ti time taken by attention to A and B zo lo in A plus B ti kha lop teng A plus B equal to ni zai thoka ti kha ni soma mo chuan an ni khat tha chu tang work done by A plus B in 1 day to 1 by 10 lo in ta ni chuan C chu ve lo time taken by C kha zo pesa equal to 50 ti mo 50 days 50 so work done in 1 day to 1 by 50 ni vele mai ni chuan an pathum tha kha chhut lo lo teng wait I need therefore work done by and pathumino A plus B plus C in 1 day to 1 by 10 plus 1 by 50 gives us 10 5s are 1 6 by 50 so 233 by 25 ni khada kha mun som ni panga thena mun thum kha an pathum man tho kha an zo ti na ni now let's go back to the question B le C kha tho zat kha A tho zat ne kha ain angati ni chu thì hàng gần equation gần xem mà work done by A in one day equal to work done anh ni khát thác hay tục tất B plus C in one day mà sẽ ia ni khát thác gần cho C lo va anh tiếc gần chút ta khang đã gần lên liền A ni khát thác A le B ni khát thác 1 by 10 tia cho nên bắt thum 3 by 25 anh ya mo C is 1 by 50, 3 by 25, 1 by 10, 1 by 50. C ni khát thác gần thay thế toa, B ni khát thác gần là thay lova, A ni khát thác gần là thay lova boka. Mà sẽ A plus B ni khát thác gần này à. B plus C ni khát thác gần thay đang ngay ta ni. B plus C ni khát thác gần thay thế chọn, A ni khát thác gần thay mấy đòn ni. Hele la hi ente la A plus B plus C hian A le B plus C khain tlukta chuan B plus C den A tho ka da le the ni now so I put here work done by A plus B plus C thì ai khan A plus A top ka dang A plus A in one day to 3 by 25 thâu khan so A plus A chuan nge true A chro work done by true A in one day is 3 by 25 A ro kha chut to so work done by A in one day to 3 by 25 into 2 nia 2 ka helwa ka da pet no ya chuk thil ro pui ta ka ni lo he hi lo chok ta ni de khan B chu kan tha the ta A na tho za kan tha to a B A C na tho za kan tha to a B chu har to lo now therefore work done by B in one day chu an pathuman ha tho zat atanga A le C na tho zat pai khani an pathuman ha tho zat chu nge kan dikha 3 by 25 tro 3 by 25 atang khan you subtract A na tho zat 3 by 50 le C na tho zat C chu is 1 by 50 mi kan dikha that C ka 1 by 50 ka dito ka ka soi non leng helai chho dan chu 3 by 25 an pathum na tho zat hi A na tho zat hi C na tho zat an pathum atang khan A le C kan pai chuan B chau kha chho to don tin ani chu nge lo thleng ta helai 4 3 by 25 minus 4 by 50 chọc tê lo la 2 by 25 only ta cái way dikha chuan so I got 25 3 minus 2 1 by 25 ni khat tha chu 1 by 25 lo ta chuan B chu therefore time taken by B ka zolania time taken by B chu hemi right side pro khal me 25 days ni som ni panga azong don okay di khan time and work kan du to kanga pipe na tho da kan soi le lo kang tengka sap to kan zer le phona che main Mizo hian tengki kan tia tanki ti kha adik lawa tank ti tur ni water tank fuel tank petrol tank diesel tank adik tanki ti kha man lai sap tong thiam lo hoina mechanic te driver ten lo man ya kan lo mang len ve ang ti kha lo ma ni tanki ti kha chu tank ang ti na ang ani no tuizem ang ti na ani chu petrol dan ang ti na le so rule si ve le if a pipe can fill an empty tank in n hours then water by pipe in 1 hour is 1 by n cho nên là if a type ta hiện tùy tank kha tùy gem kha lo xin chia là arua kha dar kar ena thì fill up zo ta se ti khat the ta se daga khata tha tho za chu 1 by n ti na ni he la hiện tin lang le dei ale bing zong pon che lo tùy sa kha kan lo ti ruak don ta ni kan lo pipe chuak ta kha te thu khan da kar ena zo ta se daga khata tho za chu hei minus 1 by n dei minus of hi poi mo xin chia tu tùy thun kha zong kha positive kan tia tùy pipe chuak pump chuang chi kha negative work kan ti thu ani. Now let's look at example exercise 11 2.2 number 11. Pipes A and B can fill an empty tank in 6 hours and 12 hours respectively. If both are open together in an empty tank, how much time will they take to fill it completely? It's very easy. And daga ka tha ka chu chu le photanga time taken by A to fill daga ruk work done daga khadai za thok in 1 hour to 1 by 6 and many B should be time taken by B to fill daga so pani duta work done by B in 1 hour to 1 by 12 te khana pani tho kha kan bel khom le to pang an pani khan enja ngen tho therefore work done by A and B, A plus B to 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12 equals 12 rania LCM ka 2 plus 1 that is 3 by 12 again 1 by 4 therefore time taken to kimi reciprocal kinway time taken A plus B to 4 hours. Thế chú tắc tắc mình thấy đó lên hà là pipe là thổ đàn thì chú sẽ chú constant tất cả mình phim là thổ đàn rồi các chú constant chia là hạ trang thế này Now let's look at one more example. Number 14 kalau enang. Two pipes A and B can fill an empty tank in 5 hours and 6 hours respectively. Pipe C can empty the full tank in 12 hours. If all the three pipes are open together, in how much time will the tank be filled? Pipe pathuman oma A le B le C. A le B khan in trade tur chu an thun khat meka C ero kha chu a pipe chuak tu ni be tu ni tenga tang khan. Chu ba C kha chu tha tho khan negative don. An pathum khan hong tlang te la etiange a kha ga deta. Le an na thokan bel khom leng minus nen khan A kha chu leng time taken by A to fill 5 hours more work done by A in 1 hour to 1 by 5 time taken by B to fill exactly 6 hours work done by B in 1 hour to 1 by 6 centimeter. Now C time taken by C to fill empty at your work equal to how much the current is 12 hours. Acha pipe point lo leak ti te trong kamaron mang do na leak ani jo negative ani mai kha re khal to work done by C in 1 hour to minus 1 by 12. Oh, minus kan to kha arwak zong at empty zone na to ko ni bangin. Therefore, then pathum kha bel khom tong work done plus B plus C in 1 hour to what are they? 1 by 5 plus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 12. 1 by 5. 1 by 6 minus 1 by 12. Isang ita 60, 30 or 60 mo LCM. 5 12s are 6 10s are 12 5. 12 plus 5 17. Okay, so time taken to give me reciprocal kila limiter. Time taken to fill by A plus B plus C to 60 by 17 hours. Oh, hey, pair fraction in mixed fraction in that data 60 17 is 5 4 7s are 28. No, 4 is too much, huh? Wait, sorry, cannot use 4. 3 is already 3 7s are 21. 2 carry at 3 1 is 3 9. So I write like this. Then you think 3 9 by 17 hours. Okay, dark art humle more well 60 by 70 dekha dark art ka thia mahara. They don't fraction zela that turni. Okay.